NHBF have launched our Respect Our Sector campaign to really highlight some of the positive things that our sector brings to the UK economy. So I'm asking the question of people, what does Respect Our Sector mean to you?
We're a multi-billion pound industry, mainstay of the high street, employing 250,000 people working in our industry.
One thing that I really believe is going to help our industry into the future is this unity, this sense of commonality where we can all get together and seek out and share common goals, common practices for the benefit of everybody.
We are the most creative, exuberant, out there industry in the whole world. So why wouldn't we and why shouldn't we have that word respect used for us?
Hairdressers are so much more than hairdressers and doing hair. The business side of things is admirable. The way that someone can take a business from scratch, the amazing relationships that they cultivate with their client. There's no other industry like it, and hairdressers give back so much to their clients, to each other. It's just a beautiful industry to be part of.